It's Mr. Magnificent here, back with another trading session. And tonight it's looking pretty well. As you can see, we marked up the chart and everything, getting ready for the session. It's currently like the market has already started. Make sure to follow the journey and stay tuned for more trades. Do not overtrade. Keep that in mind. Do not overtrade. So it's very nice day today. We took that. We're having like a very nice and tight stop loss right here, 35 points. So we just wait. The session has begun now. So if it breaks this support, we're gonna enter long position. As you can see, everything. So I've placed my buy stop order there, and now we're just waiting to get inside the trade. The market condition looks good. They're currently on the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, let's get it. Keep pushing. We're in. We're eventually in. As soon as it hits like 23%, we're gonna move to break even. Stop loss, but we just gotta not, the volume is very nice. As you can see, the volume profile on the bottom right here of the screen, you can see it perfectly. And looking at the 5-minute time frame, everything looks really nice, and I think we have a really nice and tight stop loss. But that's the thing, we don't want to be risking too much. But today is Thursday 9th of July, and yes, it's gonna be very good session. And I know Thursdays are like we're risking much more better than like Friday and Mondays. So therefore, yes, the market we're bullish now. We made a higher high now. So let's see. It's struggling. The price is like retesting back to that support, back to the resistance area, and we're in a drawdown, but nothing to be worried about, since I could tell you by this candle, the big bullish engulfing candle, as you can see, that the sellers try to push it all the way down, but the buyers are much more stronger, and the volume backs it up. As you can see on the volume spike and everything, the current volume is around like 35k on the, what do you call it, on the 5 minutes time frame. So we just gotta let it play out and see what happens. Keep pushing, baby, keep pushing. Yes, we don't trade emotionally, we take the A+ setups. That's what you're meant to do, as always. So as you can see, the price has reached the 23% mark, and let's keep pushing, baby. Let's get it. We have nothing else to do, just like patience. 90% patience, 10% execution. And now we're getting ready to adjust the stop loss. Yes, now we're gonna move the stop loss to break even, so that the trade is risk free now. Yep, it's just below the entry point, as you can see clearly here. So we're floating currently inside the trade, and I don't look at the numbers, because the market makers make the numbers like that so that they're like, you should just like to mess up with your brain psychologically. So we're just gonna let it play out, and yes, keep pushing, baby. There's a lot of volume, like I'm telling you, like on the 15, very nice. Yes, see, nearly target one hit, nearly target one got hit. So we're just gonna adjust the stop loss a bit more above the break line, so the break even point, stuttering, as you can see, we're hyped up. Yes, this is a successful A+ setup. Now we're just gonna move it to 23% stop loss, since we just don't wanna give it back to the market in case it reverses on us. But looking at this candle, based on my analysis and everything, that we're very bullish. It's not gonna obviously go straight up, but if it knocks me out, don't care, we can enter again. But we'll like to trade is risk free currently, so yep, I'm just gonna let it play out and see. Sometimes you just gotta let the market come to you instead of you chasing the candles. If you do that, you're gonna lose. And I've had this happen to me a lot, but learning, still learning, improving and refining my edge and becoming undeniably great at this. I'm hyper obsessed with this thing and I love it. It's the best, 'cause you can make like fast money. It's crazy. The ROI is on this is very very impressive and I love every single part of this and yes, the market is pushing. All we gotta do is just wait. Target one got hit already, like basically if you had like two positions open, if you close and take some profit then target one, but we don't do that, so we let this play out and see what happens. Oh no, the price is reversing, but we don't care, so yes, we shouldn't stop up, just keep it there. We just gotta see what happens. So as you can see, the price is like, sellers are trying to push it down, but this candle shows a lot when it comes to how this breakout is of no, because the volume profile looks absolutely phenomenal. Trading is the best skill, because once it clicks, nobody can take it off. You're the business. If I trade, I make money. If I don't, we don't. There's no customer refunds, not about drop shipping. We just got stopped out. But who cares, We're just gonna now have a look at the 5-minute time frame and see what happened exactly. We just got wicked out of the trade. This was a mistake. You know what was a mistake? By moving my stop loss too early. But don't worry, who gives a fuck? We're gonna make it back. We're gonna make more. So as you can see, now we're risking like 225, and then we're just gonna place it another one. Another one. So we place another trade now. Because I know that the market's gonna continue to hit my full TP, but it's just a matter of time. Let me just adjust that. Yes. Then you can't modify that once you're thinking. What the hell? Now we got triggered again, another position. And yes, basically we're still floating here and there. Yes, look on 5-minute time frame now. It looks sexy. I see. I told you that like I should have not moved my stop loss like a lot. Should have just moved it to break even. And sometimes that is a mistake as well. You gotta let the trade play. But as you can see, we're floating and we're milking the market. That is one of the best feelings out there. Trading is just difficult. Part about trading is the mental state. Yes, maybe let's get it. See, as you can see, the second candle is bullish and it's going straight to the TP, towards the TP. So, yes. Think I should close it? Nah, we're just gonna let it play out, because still got time. Just kind of like 5 minutes, I think, to try. Currently, like 8 minutes into the trade, and yes, I'm thinking to like close the position because like click on the top 15-minute time frame, like earlier before I hooked up chart and everything, there was like a supply zone there. So it's basically coming next to a supply zone, which is a big resistance if you don't know what a supply zone is. It's like a consolidation with the market and the sellers try to place orders there. So now I think we should close it because it's struggling. So let me just go ahead and close this position. Bang. Yup. And then like we have to just wait and see what happened now. Looking at 15-minute time frame, and still as you can see the candle is like fully bullish. If the second candle comes, then we'll shoot through the TP. So therefore I'm just gonna enter again. Small position again. So we're gonna go click buy, set up the buy stop, and drag the stop loss below this Just right here having a nice and tight stop loss, and then the TP right here for a quick, nice, short trade. And we're gonna just go ahead and buy it, and yes. Today, the session is beautiful. I like it, That's one of the best sessions out there. So we're just going to have a look at it. We're still in the drawdown. So I took 2 trades currently. This is my 3rd trade. Just a quick little trade, Got a stop. Look at this. As you can see, it's floating about 234, 143, 1. As you can see, the numbers, men lie, women lie. The numbers don't. As you can see, I think I should close this position just right here, struggling. Yes. Price is dying out. So let's close it. Bang. Close the trade. That's it, As you can see, so it's very, very nice day today. We took that. This was the A+ setup that I took on the Mozambique. Phenomenal. Really here to come up pushing the new. As you can see, the top 105 today. 3 trades. But then, yeah, on the basically. So on the first trade, that I didn't move my stop loss to 23% on the people. Then I let that break even in that second 5 minute candle that one. But if not, kicking out of trade and therefore hitting the full TP that's left. Yeah, but still we didn't hit the full TP, but we got what we had to do, It was a very, very nice trade, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to follow the journey and stay tuned for more trades. This was Thursday. Do not overtrade. Keep that in mind. Do not overtrade. As you can see, you can read here. Basically, you can read here.